Hello everyone and welcome to this amazing course. If you've always wanted to create characters and learn all of the necessary tools to do so inside of Zbrush, then look no further. This is a course for you. My name is Abraham Leal, I have 11 years of experience and I will be your instructor throughout this amazing journey. In this course, I will guide you through all of the necessary steps to create a production-ready, high-poly character. We will do absolutely everything from scratch. We will do armor, clothing, anatomy, all of the different props, the weapons. And not only am I going to teach you all of the technical tools so that you can do all of those elements, we're also going to be talking about the mindset and the kind of things that you need to look forward whenever working on a piece for a production file. Throughout this course, we will be covering topics such as anatomy, C-modeler, prop construction, asset modularity, micro details, posing, and rendering. This course is aimed towards intermediate level students who want to push their artistic limits and create production-ready characters. We will be focusing in the high poly assets while maintaining things in line with the 3D production pipe. We'll study the anatomy of all of the different parts of the human body, as well as the creation of armor, weapons, cloth, and accessories. Basic knowledge of Zbrush is required. We will be jumping straight into creating the character, and it's also important that you download the latest version. We will also be using PureRef, a little bit of Photoshop, and Blender for the final renders. Other than that, you of course will need a pen display or a tablet to work inside of Zbrush. Join me in this amazing journey and learn how to create the characters you've always wanted to create.